I'm getting married in 2 months and I'm going to be doing my own makeup for the wedding, so I figured I would kind of practice a possible makeup look that I will wear on my wedding day and bring you guys along with me. You want to make sure that you do good skincare beforehand to kind of prep your skin for the makeup. So I already cleansed and exfoliated and I did a moisturizer a little while ago. And then the next step I'm going to do is to use the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops, kind of like an extra little primer slash skincare step. Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I'm just gonna kind of take this all over my face to get that glowy base going. Then for foundation, I'm using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and this is supposed to be good for like long wearing and also to make sure your skin still looks like skin, which is exactly what I'm going for on my wedding day. I'm just gonna start off with a little bit, and if I want to build more, I will, but you don't want to apply too much to start. I want some more coverage, so I'm going in with a second layer. For concealer, I'm using the Jowear concealer, and I'm just doing a little bit under the eyes. I don't want to apply too much, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of spot concealing because I do have some leftover acne marks around my face. Take it on the eyelids. Just gonna put some powder along my jawline because I'm gonna do some contour and I want to make sure I don't bring that too low. Taking Nude Sticks Bondi Blonde on a brush. A little cream blush, a Cosmetics brow pencil, setting with Kosas Air Brow, onto the powder products and bronzing with Hourglass Nude Bronze Light. Take that onto the jawline and down the neck, then popping the same bronzer in the crease. And the lower lash line. Set the under eyes with the Hourglass powder. I should have done that earlier. Also setting other parts of the face, brushing away that powder on the jawline. Hourglass blush in Incandescent Electra. A little bit of this blush and applying it to the crease. Bobbi Brown eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna apply this all over the lid and blend it out with my fingers. Also gonna put this on the lower lash line. Add some cream highlight. Bring it up to the brow bone as well. The Tarte Maneater mascara. Then aligning the lips with the Buxom lip liner. Kind of doing a little like ombre effect, like filling in the lips a little bit. Lipstick.